There's two drones harassing me. They're just teasing me, antagonizing me. Right now they're just above the trees. Just above the trees. They were right over my head. When I ignore them, they come after me. And they dive my head to get my attention. Right now I'm hiding under the trees for safety, waiting and hoping the police show up. There's two of them. Oh, there's one getting closer. I'm hiding in the trees. I really got work to do, but they keep coming after. He's got his light on trying to signal me. It's really annoying. I got my camera zoomed. He keeps coming in after me. He's just circling me. I'm hiding from him right now. I'm trying to hide. He keeps coming down and looking for me. Those things can cut you. I almost got cut in the back of the neck last time. Round and round and round and round. There's two of them. I just gotta hide and wait for the police. I don't know. I usually have my camera, but I have my phone. I'm hiding deep under the trees so they can't get me. They're looking for me. They got close a couple times. I'm hiding right down on the ground now. I was just processing my own firewood on my own land, just trying to do my own work. And they're attacking me. So I took shelter here in this thick trees. They can't get in at me here at least. They just went down for a new battery. These guys have awesome range. They just went up into the clouds, way over to Williams and down. That's mind-blowing range. I'm pretty sure they're all the way out to Williams Road. I watched it. It was a tiny speck. It went up, took off, across here. One day I want to catch them. I want to catch that pilot. I went down right over there. It's not even worth my trying to catch them with my truck, because they'll be back in the air before I get there. That's with a vehicle, 2 miles. It's a mile over and a mile. A half mile this way. It's a mile down to Williams and a half mile over. He's way out there. They have 3 batteries and an hour and a half flight time with the 3 batteries. Both of them left at the same time. So either somebody alerted them or they'll be back. There they are. They're right over my house though. They're just hovering over watching my girls in the yard. I told them to go inside. My voice sounds strange because my head is up in the air. Look at them, they're right there. They're that close I can get them with the camera. Look at that. That's close. They're back. They're right up in here somewhere. They got their 3rd battery. I want to explain something for the record. I was cutting firewood and the drones came when I was loading, and it might have looked funny. People are going to ask, well, why didn't you just jump in your truck? Well, because I want to get my firewood done. There's no reason in driving the truck all the way around, opening the gates, closing the gates. I wanted to finish the job while I was here, and eventually the drones have to go away. And when they go down for a battery recharge is when I was able to get away and go into the house, or into the property, our front yard, I should say. All of this is mine, including that dirt lane, just for the record. So I was on my property doing my work on my own land, harvesting my own firewood, and I was able to crouch down under here and hide from them. And people will also ask, why don't you shoot them or do something? A lot of advice, but it's illegal. It is a federal offense to threaten or harass a drone or its operator. Basically, self-defense is a crime. They have no blade guards and they will cut you. And they like to chase me around, and so I seek thick shelter and hide under them until they go down for a battery recharge, and then I can get away. I happen to have the opportunity to finish putting away the firewood, get in the truck and go. I did not want to leave it, so I know I'm answering a lot of questions right there. This is all my land, all of this here. Where I was, all of that, that's my land. And they were over my head and chasing me through my own trees on my own land. I wanted to do a video for Country Wood Products, but that didn't happen.